Meanwhile, in Nigeria, wildlife experts are pushing the government to teach citizens how to protect wild animals. The move will help the country do more in combating wildlife trafficking. The Environmental Investigation Agency says over the past 5 years, more than 30 tons of ivory and 167 tons of pangolin scales have been smuggled through Nigeria. But authorities have intensified efforts to reduce poaching activities. Here's CGTN's Phil Ihaza with more.
Romeo is 22 years old. The buffalo is resident at this National Children's Park and Zoo in Abuja. The zookeeper Yakubu Suleiman says Romeo was brought here at a very young age after being rescued from hunters in the bush.
The buffalo Romeo is now one of the few species left in Nigeria, but thank God we retrieved it, because by now it would have been devoured either by hunters for meat, medicine, or sale of its body part.
Not many wild animals like Romeo are lucky enough to survive in the forest. Statistics from the Environmental Investigation Agency show that about 4,000 elephants were killed in the past 5 years in Nigeria. Experts say poaching in Nigeria is not as severe as other parts of Africa because it is mostly done by farmers who hunt these animals mainly for food and medicine.
In Nigeria, most people involved, they are just subsistence, farmers, not really a big business per se, because most the meat go for as bush meat. And these people, they are very poor. If somebody can kill an elephant and sell the tusk like 10, 20 or 30,000, you see, it's quite a big money. So that is why it's rising every day, because the level of poverty is high.
But the government has been busy tracking down illegal smugglers of these animals.
Last year, the government also partnered with the United Nations, other countries and relevant agencies in Nigeria to strengthen the country's response to trafficking of wildlife.
Experts say teaching more people like hunters about the dangers of killing wildlife will help minimize the problem of poaching.
As a farmers, if they are farmers, find a way of improving their own, agricultural practice so that they can go into full farming activity and forget about hunting and what have you. And as well, the education can also come, try to tell them how useful these animals are to us as human beings and to the ecosystem.
Such efforts could shield the likes of Romeo from the threat of extinction and ensure they live safely in the wild. Phil Ihaza, CGTN, Abuja.